so here's the note. The first note says on two-wheel drive. This again, I'm reading this. The Haynes. This is book 24070 for Chevy. It's the Haynes repair manual. Okay. So another airplane flying over. Be a good experiment for my Zoom recorder. I'm testing my Zoom recorder right now. I'm testing the video and whatever. I'm not trying to make a big vlogging. I don't have some major editing equipment on my computer. So. Should I be smoking during a red flag warning? I wonder if I should trim the back of this one and maybe get that. You probably freaking. Anyways. Okay, now it's 10, 20, 10, 28, 10, 30. Okay. Oil pan. Removal and installation. On two-wheel drive models, it is necessary to remove the engine from the vehicle to perform the procedure. That sucks. I've been to the junkyard and I even saw firsthand the nightmare it must be to remove an oil pan. This whole thing started because the oil pump issue. As you please refer to my other video, I might put a link to that video, to this video. On four-wheel drive models, the front differential housing must be unbolted, moved forward, and supported. As you're going to see, I did a little bit more than that. A lot more than that. So yeah, that's a little bit of a... I removed the differential, so you're gonna see. See chapter 8. Okay. And the engine must be unbolted from the mounts and raised with an engine hoist to provide the necessary clearance for oil pan removal. As you will see coming up in the night tube, you will see that it was necessary for me to do a little bit more than that because of the other instructions I have. So I will tell you about that in a moment. And the engine must be unbolted from mounts and raised with the engine hoist, provided with the necessary clearance. Okay, anyways. I'm gonna read to you an actual parts and labor for the oil pan that I got from a friend. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step coming up. This is what you're going to expect in the coming up videos that I'm going to post. So please subscribe, like, share these videos coming up. I'm only going to do segments of 5. And today is just going to be the first 5 steps. There's 20 steps. And of course, the last step is the typical reverse step 1 to 17 to complete installation. When using the, whatever. That's. I'm going to probably show you the whole process. So if you want to know how to do your 89 Blazer, if you live in the Los Angeles area and you want someone to go with you to work on your car or go to pick up parts or whatever, contact me. And if I'm free, I'm willing to go. And of course, you could buy me a part, you know, or just buy me a lunch or whatever. So this is what we have. The first 5 steps. And this, hopefully I have video, totally all the video. Step number 1. Disconnect battery ground cable. I disconnected the whole battery and pulled the battery out because I had a whole complicated mess coming up ahead of me. Number 2, remove dipstick and the drive belt splash shield. The drive belt splash shield was already removed from the vehicle. It was in the back of the Blazer. The dipstick, you can see it. I don't know why it says to remove it. Maybe if you're gonna lift it up and all that business. I'm gonna get rid of my cigar. I'm gonna try to puff it one more time. I'm gonna try to trim it and do one more video coming out. Raise splash shield was already removed from the vehicle. It was in the back of the Blazer. The dipstick, you can see it. I don't know why it says to remove it. Maybe if you're gonna lift it up and all that business. I'm gonna get rid of my cigar. I'm gonna try to puff it one more time. I'm gonna try to trim it and do one more video coming out. Raise and support vehicle. Support vehicle, you know, you don't want the vehicle to drop on you. I did a little bit of explanation during the videos that it just was not, you don't want a vehicle to drop on you. And since I'm working by myself, yeah. I have my cell phone on me most of the time, listening to talk radio and a bunch of vlogging. 4, remove front axle shield and transfer case shield. Maybe those are 2 different things. Wow. Huh. The drive belt splash shield. Drive belt splash shield. I don't know why that needs to be removed, but it says to. Number 5, disconnect brake line clips from crossmember and remove second crossmember. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I mean, if you think this video was silly, just leave a comment. Help me improve. Come on, give me some advice or something to help me improve my videos.
I was trying to keep the front tires on.